Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. And first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. And once you open the menu, scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the heart rate widget, it's the one with the heart icon, and tap on it to open the widget. And right now, the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. Oh, my bad. Let me scroll up, put my finger on the sensor, and let's wait for the result. And here we have the heart rate. It's gonna jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time, rather. But as you can see, it's measuring the heart rate. And right here we have the graph. So if you're measuring the heart rate for the whole day, you will have the graph of the whole day. How is your heart rate doing? You also have the max one and the lowest one. And if you scroll up, or rather swipe up on the screen, you also have the resting heart rate stat. Because I was not wearing the watch for a long period of time, I don't have the resting heart rate. But if you're gonna wear your watch for a whole day, you should get this statistic right here. And once you're done measuring your heart rate, simply press the crown button to go back, like this. You can also open the heart rate widget by simply going to home screen, swiping right, and you should have your widget right here by default. Okay. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.